What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm actually I'm be showing y'all how I wash my bike and what all I use and stuff to get it so clean. This mud's been caked on here for a while, and before I get into this video, I want to say the stuff I'm using, I don't have no sponsorship with them. I literally just ordered off Amazon, but yeah. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm gonna pull it out here. I'm gonna pull it around onto the concrete, and we're gonna get to washing it.
My life, my love, that is my dream. Life is but a dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give.
I'm covering my face up because of the sun. I'm trying to be squinting, but got the bike pulled back over here in the concrete because I don't want to wash it in the grass and just get grass off on it. So first thing we're gonna do is I'm just gonna take a hose and try to spray all the mud off as possible. Just easier. Then we're gonna get the pressure washer, and we're gonna get a hose. We're gonna spray all that off. We're gonna get our soap and stuff, mix it, scrub it off. Then we're gonna get the pressure washer and wash all the soap off. So let's get into it. All right, now that we got this, all the mud and stuff washed off, y'all can see just I'm just trying to get everything as much as I can washed off before we hit it with the soap. But now we're gonna walk in here and grab all of our stuff. Pressure washer, we got our hose. Now we're gonna walk back in here. We're gonna get I got my towel for when we have to dry it off. I got this little like foam thing. You put it over everybody uses the one on the pressure washer. This one works just fine. Put it over the hose. That little thing goes on the bottom and it shoots foam out. I had this one, but it was terrible, so just throw that over there. So we got them. And we would also use this off-road wash. It makes the plastics look really good. It's kind of like SC1. And I use some mean green or purple power, whichever one you got. So we're gonna grab this bucket and all this stuff, and we're gonna walk out here. Get to mention, we do have our little sponge thing. I don't know what that is called, but we're gonna shake this up. This don't take a lot. We're gonna put it in our little foam exposure thing, whatever you want to call it. I'm just gonna fill the bottom up with it, just like that. And now we're gonna put some of our mean green or purple power, whichever one you have. We're gonna put a good bit of this in there. That's good. This is how much I've used, and I ain't even that's how much I used, and I've probably done like 5 washes. So it doesn't take a lot at all. So now we can screw our cap on. Or what we'll do first is we'll put a little bit of water in there with it. Got our water in there. Now I'm gonna put some in this bucket. I'll open it up a little more. Now while that's filling, that should be good, but while that's going, I'm walk over here, I'm gonna cut my water off. Now that our water's cut off, we can go back over here and we're gonna put this other nozzle on. So now that that's doing its thing, and still, we're gonna take this nozzle off. Let all that just kind of drain in there. Let me get this other nozzle for this other bucket, or this nozzle for this foam cannon thing. Screw on there. We're gonna get our foam cannon Tighten it, shake it up, get that mean green and stuff shooken up. Now we're gonna come over here to the bike. We're basically just gonna rinse it down with all this soap and crap. So now we're gonna turn our water back on. Now that's good. We can go turn our water back off. All right, now we got our water back off. We can take this foam thing off the bottom that's holding all the soap, and we're just gonna dump it into the bucket. The stuff that we have left, we're gonna dump it into our bucket. Now we can take this off. Get our sponge. We're gonna stir this bucket up with our soap in it. Get it nice and mixed up. Get our sponge all soapy. And now we're just gonna, I'm gonna hit all the red plastics.
There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. There goes a sight from my soul. I think it's all angels just walk by. 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 There goes a sight from my soul.
Alright, y'all, I'm editing this at school because I'm a little behind on editing stuff. I'm at lunch break. I'm not skipping work. But that's really it for this video. I hope it helps somebody. Y'all make sure to like, subscribe, go down below in the bio and look at all the sponsors. So yeah, we're gonna head into a little montage to end this video. Thanks for watching.
I only accept whatever's meant for me. We ain't going half, we going all the way. Stay 10 toes, gotta keep it fam close. Yeah, that's up, yeah, we know. I've been riding, I've been rolling on this road for a long time. I've been out here getting on my own for a long time. How you supposed to get it in this world if you don't try? If you want the greatness, it's gonna take you a long time. Overnight, don't happen overnight. If we mean success, it takes some grinding oversight.